Hello everyone, Josh here from Neighborhood Car Reviews, and we're at Community Ford Lincoln, a certified Black Label dealership in Bloomington, Indiana. And today we're going to touch base on the perfect position seats, how to adjust them, and what all the controls do. So without further ado, let's take a look at the perfect position seats from Lincoln. I'd like to first point out that my timing on the inset videos of the controls do not quite match the seat movements, simply because I had to film both separately and I didn't get my timing quite right. But as a demonstration, you kind of get the gist of it. It's pretty simple to operate with these seats. One of my observations is that they are very, very comfortable and very supportive. Once you get the setting corrected that you like for your personal taste, I highly recommend programming it to the memory seat, because it will be next to impossible to try to find it again, just because there's so much that you can adjust. These are optional on Lincolns except for the Black Label vehicles. On the Continental and on the Navigator, they are a $1,500 option. They will also be available on the upcoming Aviator. However, pricing has not been announced for that vehicle, but I do suspect they'll probably be around $1,500 as well. Currently, they are not on the MKC, the MKZ, or the MKX. And here's one of my favorite sections. Here is the active multi-contour motion controls through the sync display. Driver and passenger has a multitude of bolsters and back supports and lower supports, and it's all highlighted on the infotainment system screen. The area shaded in black is the part that you're going to be adjusting. That all is programmed into the memory. And then you have the massage feature for driver and passenger. You have off, low, and high. There is no medium setting. With the high, it's a little bit more in intensity, but it works pretty well. And this does conclude our quick look at the perfect position seats by Lincoln. If you like this video or have questions or would like to see more, put a comment down below and I'll read them and try to get back to you as soon as possible. As always, we thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.